How to activate Wi-Fi calling on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. In this video, I will show you two different methods to enable Wi-Fi calling. So first method, open the app drawer on your device, go to settings, tap the connection. Here you can find the Wi-Fi calling option. Make sure insert SIM card to available this option on your device. If you don't insert SIM card, you can't find this option. So tap on Wi-Fi calling. Make and receive the calls over a Wi-Fi connection whenever available. Now toggle on it. When you toggle on it, you can find the option calling preference for Wi-Fi prefer or mobile network prefer. You want to set as a Wi-Fi calling on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. In the second method, you can use the phone app. So open the phone app on your device. Tap the phone app. Tap the three dots at the top right corner. Tap the settings. Now scroll down. Here you can find the Wi-Fi calling. Tap on it. Make sure toggle on it and set the calling preference is as a Wi-Fi prefer or a mobile network prefer. So it's quite easy to enable Wi-Fi calling on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.